What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. We're gonna go thrifting. I'm gonna go to one that I haven't been to in a while, so I'm just gonna pop in my GPS, thrift stores in Connecticut, I don't know, and just drive to a random one, and we'll see if we can find anything at a thrift store I've either never been to or one I haven't been to in a really long time. Let's go. All right, we have made it to the Gucci Will. We're gonna head inside. I think the last time I was here was 6 months ago. I don't know, it's been a while. So let's go inside and maybe we'll find some pretty sweet stuff. All right, we got some media here. Gonna look for any mixed in DVDs or anything sealed. Here we go. I'm seeing some sealed stuff in here. So I think we can get to scanning, and if I find anything, I'll place it in the cart and show you guys. All right, we got lots of electronics here. I did find a couple things. We have one DVD that was worth it. The rank's a little high. I'll pop all the prices up here on the screen for you guys. We have the Brainiacs.com. I scanned it because I'd never heard of it, and ended up being worth some pretty good money. And then some VHS tapes, which, surprise, I found more VHS tapes than DVDs, but we have Lamb Chops Play Along. I always try to look for these children's VHS tapes, especially Barney. They always do pretty well. And then we have a Disney movie I've never heard of before, Hounded. And again, you know, children's movie, Disney movie, something I've never heard of, worth some pretty good money. So not bad. Now we are at the electronics. I find one of these at almost every single thrift store, guys. It's always worth it. I don't love shipping them because I gotta bubble wrap it. It's $6, which honestly is a little high, but I think they still sell for 25, 30 bucks. Not bad. I also see a Panasonic right there. Those always sell for about 30 bucks. So I guess I'll grab it. And then this one right here, $4. That's not bad. Condition, pretty good. I've never seen this color gray before, but even has the instructions down there. $4, that's a no-brainer. Let's see if there's anything else in the electronics section. Yeah, okay. These Panasonic VCRs, we're gonna look this up together and see how much it's going for. All right, I looked it up on Amazon and take a look. Rank is pretty good, has not amazing reviews, but cheapest one's 120. Not bad. We'll check eBay, double check the price and see how much it's going for there. All right, on eBay, it definitely goes for less. So you're looking at 50 plus 20 shipping, 40 free shipping, 80 free shipping, 40 plus 30. So around 50-ish, $50 to $60 it seems. Things definitely go for more on Amazon. I'm not gonna grab it only because I have so many of them that need to be tested and I do not have the time to test it. So somebody can grab it and make some decent money, but it's not gonna be for me. Now this could be good. I love these massagers. Oh, it feels empty. Oh no, there's something in there. I'll scan it real quick before I open it all up, see if it's worth anything. I'll pull up my Amazon seller app and we will scan. So here's the listing, lots of good reviews, nobody's selling on the listing. So what I do in this case is I go and I check eBay real quick. We'll scan it in again. Scan barcode. All right, just scanned it in. Oh, not bad. We'll check solds. No sold, so I'm gonna have to type it in. So here it is. It looks like it's going for between 20 and yeah, 20 to 30 bucks. Not bad. If they're asking $5 or so, I think I could throw it up on Amazon for 30 to 40. But let's take a look. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. What are they asking for this thing? Oh, 13. That's definitely pushing it. I'm gonna put it back. All right. We got all the toys down here. I did grab this puzzle earlier. I looked it up at $2.99. It's brand new sealed, but it's not on Amazon and I don't really feel like putting it on eBay. There might be money in it, but not a lot. So what I'm gonna do is just see if I can find anything down here. Now, I always love looking for these special edition Monopolies and other games like that. This Monopoly Junior Disney Channel, it's always a pain to count the pieces in Monopoly. I'm gonna put it back for now, but we will possibly look it up. See if we can find anything down here that looks good. What do we got? What do we got? Here we go, we have something brand new up here. Mission Diamond Heist for $5. I think this game is always at Ocean State Job Lot for about $5, but let's take a look, right? Why not? All right, here it is. Rank's not terrible, but it's only selling for, Amazon has it for $11.89. You'd lose money if you sold it at $5, so I'm gonna put it back. One thing I always find funny in my comments on YouTube is I will go through all of these games and pick out maybe one or two that are worth it, and then I get comments from people saying that I'm taking from the poor and that I just take everything from them, even though I left all of this behind and I took like one or two things. I don't really understand that, but you know, it is what it is. I'll accept the comments if I can provide for myself, I guess. I don't know. What do we have here? What do we have here? It really doesn't look like much today. That's the puzzle I put back. There's another puzzle right here. Here's a Perfalock. I don't even know. This is interesting. Who's that supposed to be? I have no idea. Let's scan it in, see if it's worth anything. All right, here we go. Scan it in, and see, it's on Amazon, but there's no reviews, no rank. I don't think it's gonna sell, so we're gonna leave it behind. I did end up finding one more DVD set right here, the 4400 Complete Series. It's only $2.99 and it sells pretty well for some decent money. So, you know, not finding too much here. At least we found a couple electronics. We found that, and we found this stuff right down here. So I'll take this, and since we didn't find too much inside of here, I think we're gonna go to another thrift store nearby and just make this a twofer video. So let's do it. Do you see what I see? A Goodwill, far off in the distance. I don't know if I've ever been to this Goodwill, honestly, so this should be interesting. All right, I actually have been to this Goodwill before, once a long time ago, and I found a couple decent things in here, so who knows what it even looks like today. Let's head inside, see what we find. All right, so here are the electronics. I see a projector. I do not like to mess with that kind of stuff. Let's see if we can find anything that looks good over here. Looks like the same old stuff that you see at every Goodwill. Nothing great. Actually, these are really good. These are actually super good. This one looks kind of clean. I mean, it has a little bit of dirtiness in there that wipes off real easy. $5. That's a great price. I'll plug it in a little bit and make sure it works. I sell these, not all the time, but semi-frequently. Always look for that right there, Lids Off by Black & Decker. $5. I think these go for about 40, 50. We'll find out soon, but let's keep looking. All right, this is interesting. I saw something brand new sealed under here. It's called Foot Flush. So you flush the toilet at your house with your foot for $5.99. That's kind of interesting. I think we're gonna scan this in right now. All right, we got the Amazon app pulled up. Let's scan it in. Ah, darn. So it's on there. I'm not seeing any rank. It does have reviews. It's selling for 25 bucks, so it does sell. I'm gonna double check eBay real quick and see if it's on there. It is for 20 plus 10 shipping. Any sold though? None. That's a little sketchy. I don't know. I mean, it might still sell, but I think I'm gonna leave it behind just because I don't want to mess with it right now. What else do we have? I don't see anything there. Here's a knockoff PlayStation 1 controller from GameStop. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, now we have a bunch of toys here under the houseware section for some reason. And is there anything good? Here we go. This is brand new. Oh. Don't think that's gonna be anything. Put that back. Monopoly Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Kind of cool. So yeah, I'm not really seeing... Oh, actually, we have this. What Do You Meme? $5. It's new, but not really. The packaging's completely destroyed on here. Pretty sure that's restricted on Amazon anyways. Now, this is kind of cool. I love finding these vintage games. They're usually not worth much. Some of them are, though. We have Tuba Ruba. What is this? This is one of the weirder games I've seen. Maybe it has some value, maybe not. I have no idea. We'll look that up also. So I'm gonna do some scanning in here and see if we find anything worth something. All right, so funnily enough, I am able to sell this new and used condition on Amazon. So at $5, I'll make about 7 or 8 on that, so not bad. And then this right here was worth some money, United States of America Bingo. It's only $1.99, and I looked it up, and here it is. Has a pretty decent rank, and look at that. Oh, actually, it's only selling for $15.31 from Amazon, so let's double check this price here. and we'll see exactly how much I'll make. It costs $1.99, and shipping into Amazon is only about a quarter. So I'm gonna make about $6 on it. It's actually not bad. We'll take it. I found the Foot Flush Mother Load right here. Look at that, they keep going. Man, if only I knew that these sold better, I'd probably grab them, but at $6, it's just too much of a risk right now. I'm gonna leave them, but you know, I know people donate used candles, which, you know, that still has some life in it for $4. But take a look at this. Here's a Yankee candle right here. How much life is left in this? 10 minutes? For $1.99, why? And then this one, what the what is this? It melted really weird. Oh, that's really funny. Here's another one, half gone. This one is just wild though. Does it still smell good? Yeah, it smells alright, I guess. It smells kind of burnt. That's so weird. Okay. Not gonna lie, the more I walk around, the less I'm finding. So I do have these 3 things. You can see the thrift store's not huge, but maybe we'll find some clothing? I don't know, probably not. What do we have here? Some jackets, motorcycle jackets for $40. What is that, Speed and Strength? Some Mercedes-Benz, probably knockoff? I don't think so. Don't think so. So I'm taking a quick look through the books here, and I noticed, where did I put it back? Right here. Thrift Wars. A battle-tested internet business plan. Find hidden thrift store treasures to sell on Amazon, eBay, and Etsy for huge profits. From Eric Michael. Almost free money. Do you think this book is more informative than my YouTube channel? Let's see. What do we have? About the author. Okay, don't care about that. Man, this is $800,000 returns. Oh, should I get this and make a review on Thrift Wars? It's $1.99 and it's half off, so it's only $1. Oh yeah, look at that. You could buy Santas. You can sell on Etsy. You can I don't know, this is weird. So I was right about to put this back on the shelf. Like I said, it's half off, so it's only $1. And I decided to scan it in on Amazon, and it actually has a pretty good rank with a lot of reviews, selling for $11.45, used selling for $9.16. So I can make $1.77. And guys, I'll give you the best tip that you can get out of this book, but right now. Scan books and sell them online, because I'm gonna double my money and I'm just gonna buy it so I can flip it and make $1.77. So I almost tripled my money. Not bad. So we just left this Goodwill, and I wish I got it on camera, but I found 2 Wii's in the glass counter, 40 bucks each, which isn't too bad. And I paid a total of $98.85. And the reason why I did it, you could bundle these Wii's with Wii Sports, and I believe around Christmas time still get between $120 and $150, which is not bad. It might have come down a little bit. And one of them, not this one, but this one, has this extra Wii Motion Plus adapter, which I think sells for $15 on its own, so not bad. Hopefully they work, and maybe they'll have hidden games inside, so that'd be pretty cool. I got everything else that you guys saw. What we're gonna do is go home now, test these Wii's, make sure they work, because if they don't, I gotta return them. And maybe we'll find a cool game inside. Let's do it. Hello, Puppuccino. We are now home. We have the Wii's right here. So what I'm gonna do is plug them in, turn them on, see if a game comes out. All right, so I just plugged the first Wii in. Sophia's very curious as to what's going on right here. Let's turn it on and open it up. We'll hit eject right here. Ooh. Making a little bit of a noise. There's nothing in here, but it's not that bad. All right, let's try one more time. Yeah, the disk drive's just a little loud, but nothing too bad. Besides that, it's pretty clean. It says as is. All right, so there's the first Wii. Here's the second Wii. Let's hit the power button or the eject button. Oh, it sounds different. It's still empty. So they must have checked. Yep. I always like to open this up because there could be an SD card in here, but there isn't. And both of these have the GameCube adapters. So they both appear to be working good. This controller is in much better shape, and it comes with that Wii Motion Plus, like I was telling you guys earlier, that sells for a bit more. 40 bucks a piece is a little high, but again, it's getting close to Christmas, getting close to fourth quarter. These do go up in price on Amazon. That's the only reason why I bought them. I also bought them because they were complete, nice and wrapped up. Everything appears to be good. I'm not sure what this says. Oh, there we go. Look at that. It was factory reset and wiped of personal data. Okay, so Goodwill pretty much already tested these things, put the serial number on there, did everything. So that's actually pretty helpful. I wish I'd seen that before because odds are they knew to check for games. But hey, I will take it. Happy about that. They both appear to be working fine. So that is good to go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions at all, subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School and Sophia signing out. See ya.